Is it worth it for your business to have a blog in 2024, or is it just a huge waste of time? Hi everybody, I'm John Lincoln with Ignite Visibility, and in this video, we're going to discuss business blogging and is it worth it? Business blogging used to be so popular 5 to 10 years ago, but nowadays it's really competitive. If you're doing a blog post and trying to rank it for a keyword inside of Google, you might be competing with hundreds of thousands or millions of web pages around the topic. Also, you might only have 20 to 50% of your demographic that's even searching inside of Google and looking for the information that you're providing inside of the blog post. So what's the right way to blog as we're in 2024 and going into the future? Well, it really comes down to not just thinking about the blog, but thinking about how that concept should be distributed around the internet. So first, 100% write a blog on the topic. But second, how can you get more exposure for that? Showing up inside a TikTok search, showing up inside of Instagram search, showing up inside a YouTube search, making sure that that blog post is shared inside of Pinterest, making sure that blog post is shared in a Google business profile, advertising that blog post inside of Google Ads, advertising that blog post inside of your retargeting around the internet so that when somebody gets cooking on your website, they see that blog post around the internet. Also, using that blog as a mechanism to capture an email address so that somebody can be added to your email list. In addition to that, sending out that blog post through your email list so that more people can get exposure to it. When it comes to blogging in 2024, it's no longer about just writing a blog and putting it up there. You need to do all the things that I talked about in addition to doing promoted posts throughout all the social media sites so that that blog can get seen by tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people instead of just a couple hundred or a couple thousand visitors that might find it through Google or might find it by coming into your website. So when it comes to blogging in 2024, 100% still do it, but use it as a mechanism to get a concept out to the entire world, the entire internet online, and get it much more exposure than just a simple blog post on your website. You have to put in the time to promote it. That's it for my answer today for should you be blogging in 2024? At the end of the day, 110% you should. You want to be growing that Google traffic, but you also want to have a well-rounded advertising strategy with your blogging, a well-rounded distribution strategy so that it's going out to your list, and you want to ensure that it's getting shared all throughout social media in these places that are outside of just Google. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.